Metal roofing is popular in Boulder, Colorado, but many misconceptions about it need to be corrected. Let's look at some of them. Many believe that metal roofs rust easily. However, metal roofs are very durable and have a protective coating that helps prevent rust. Metal roofs typically last up to 50 years without any rust problems. Another misconception is that metal roofs are noisy. While metal roofs do produce a slight echo, they're not necessarily noisy. You can hear wind, rain, and ice on almost any type of roof. The sound produced with a metal roof is unique, but many find it comforting. A metal roof is commonly believed to make a home hot. Metal roofs have a lower thermal mass than many other types of roofing, including asphalt shingle roofs. Unlike other materials, metal reflects sun and heat instead of absorbing it, so it can help keep your home's temperature stable and comfortable. If you're ready to update your Boulder County area home with a strong and gorgeous metal roof, call Worx at 303-353-1825. Our experts are happy to answer your questions and provide you with a beautiful roof built to last.